Yes everyone, welcome back. Sorry it's been a long time since I picked up the camera and started videoing. I've had a lot to do. We've been away to Rio, we've been trying to do our driving test. Just been a lot, getting a new job, starting that, doing night shifts, stuff like that. Really killing me, but don't worry, once it's all laying out nicely, back on it. So the videos won't be as frequent now, but hopefully in the next week or two we'll be 100% on it for you guys. We can't keep letting you down. We're gonna smash it and hit 2019's goals to get 1,000 subscribers, and then we can go beyond, but that's what we want for now, 1,000. So yeah, we've got something a little bit special for you today. We're going to be hitting a full day of eating. It's currently the morning, so we're going to get through all the meals that we're going to be eating today, and we're going to show you the calories, the macros that they'll probably be down on your right hand side. So yeah, hope you like this video. We're going to get on with it and enjoy.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer.
So we've just cooked some more chicken, microwave rice. I think it's called cavalli. Brilliant Aldi's rice, I'll show you right now. So it's cavala. This is, oh my goodness, best. I think Uncle Ben's Tilda rice and that. Cavala is the absolute dream, and it's like 65p, 70p from Aldi's. 100% recommend, 280 grams. So it's more than your usual servings, 250. Anyway, so we've got meal 2 and 3, 280 grams of rice each, and then we've got our chicken, so 600 grams there. We're gonna half it into each of these, and then that's us sorted for meal 2 and 3.
And it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
So meal 1 is complete. We're going to give it another about 2 hours, then we're going to get our second meal in, but we're just about to head out, so we're going to have a shower, get sorted, and then head out.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you.
We are really sore across and above, so on the move we've got meal 2, as you've seen in the last clip, chicken and rice. Stay hydrated.
It feels like I'm drunk on you.
What looks better? The VXR, or I don't know if you can see it, the ST. Yes, please.
That one as a meal?
Pardon?
That
What's it as
the
a
roll
meal?
as a meal?
What did you get with the roll? Hash brown?
Yeah, well you get the drink and then the hash
Can I
brown
have,
as
can I
well.
have, can I have orange juice, please? Well, can you have the ice latte instead of?
Is that with? Can you have the ice latte with the meal?
Yeah, you can get that with the meal.
Yes, please.
Yeah, that can take your order.
Yes, thank
Can I
you.
have a tea, please? Oh,
What was that, sorry?
a tea.
Cup of tea, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one, thank you.
Okay.
So they got a new ice latte, but to me it looks disgusting. We'll do a taste test on it. Oh. So yeah, we've drank like half of it. It's not even that nice, but we'll do a taste test. Disgusting. Wouldn't recommend it. But we've got bacon roll with ketchup on it, so let's see what this beauty is all about. Jeez. They weren't tart of bacon. Okay. So it's currently the 7th of July. We're going on holiday, it's 11th of September. And we're doing a cut for 6 weeks, so that shouldn't be too long away. So the reasons why we're eating bulky, because we've got to look forward to the cut, being on a strict diet. This is our first time doing it, so we'll see how it is. Shouldn't be too hard with it. We're not going to go to extreme levels, but we're going to be veiny, lean, shredded, and look absolutely sick for holiday. So yeah, can't wait for it. So we're on to our next meal. We ate that bacon, well, we ate that Mackey's, I'd say about an hour ago. But yeah, but I wouldn't class that as a meal. So meal 3, we're on to chicken and rice, as you know. So we'll get that in, and then I'll check back with you once we're in and eating our next meal. Sweet. So we're at a restaurant, about to get our next meal in. Absolutely starving. It's called Manor Farm. It's supposed to be a carvery, but it does all dinners and shit restaurant. But yeah, here we are. So we've got this chicken medley. It's got tomato sauce on it, cheese, chips, garlic mushrooms, tomato, peas. Yep, that's it. Look at this. 10-year-old, and he's got an all-day breakfast. Oh my goodness. And then there's one chicken medley, there's another one, and there's another one. So there we have it. That is complete. Everyone's still munching. On to desserts. See what they've got nice here.
I'll have a look.
Yep.
There you go. It's got your card on. Let's get your receipt.
Closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.